Hi, welcome to the Focused Brains channel. Today we are doing multiple choice questions of economics chapter sectors of Indian economy. Stay tuned for more MCQs and assertions and reasons of other chapters. For now, let's get started.
Question 1. When we produce a good by exploiting natural resources, then it is an activity of which sector? The right option is B. Primary sector. Question number 2. Which activities come under the agriculture and related sector or primary sector? The right option is D. All of these. Dairy, fishing, forestry are the activities that come under the agriculture and related sector. Question number 3. What is the secondary sector? The right option is B. Secondary sector is a sector in which natural products are changed into other forms through ways of manufacturing. Question number 4. Which statement is not true for the tertiary sector? The incorrect option is B. This sector gradually became associated with the different kinds of industries. Question number 5. Using sugarcane as raw material, we make sugar or gur. Under what sector does this activity come? The right option is C. This activity comes under industrial sector. Question number 6. What is another name of primary sector? The right option is B. The another name of primary sector is agriculture and related sector. Question number 7. There are many activities that are undertaken by directly using natural resources. Which of the following is not the example of that activity? The right option is D. The use of bricks to make houses is not the example of that activity. Question number 8. Among the following, which activity does not come under tertiary sector? The right option is D. Using sugarcane to manufacture gur or sugar is not the activity of tertiary sector. Question number 9. What is another name of secondary sector? The right option is C. Industrial sector. Question number 10. Which statement correctly defines the gross domestic product (GDP) of a country? The right option is B. It is the value of final goods and services produced within a country during a particular year. Question number 11. Which sector generates services rather than goods? The right option is A. Tertiary sector. Question number 12. The goods that are used up in for further producing final goods and services are known by which name? The right option is A. Intermediate goods. Question number 13. Not every good or services that is produced and sold needs to be counted. It makes sense only to include what to get the total production. The right option is B. It makes sense to include final goods and services to get the total production. Question 14. In India, who took the mammoth task of measuring GDP? The right option is B. Central government took the mammoth task of measuring GDP. Question number 15. As the methods of farming changed and the agriculture sector began to prosper, most of the goods produced were dash from the primary sector and most people were also employed in this sector. The right option is C. Most of the goods produced were natural products from the primary sector and the most people were employed in the primary sector. Question number 16. It has been noted from the histories of many now developed countries that at initial stages of development, which sector was the most important sector of economic activity? Right option is D. At initial stages of development in developed countries, the primary sector was the most important sector of economic activity. Question number 17. Why did the secondary sector later become the most important sector? Select the suitable reason for this. The right option is A. The secondary sector later became the most important sector because people began to use many more goods that were produced in factories at cheap rates. Question number 18. In developed countries, which sector has become the most important in terms of total production? Right option is C. In developed countries, service sector has become the most important in terms of total production. Question number 19. Economists suggest that the dash of goods and services should be used rather than adding up the dash. The right option is B. Value of goods and services should be used rather than adding up the actual numbers. Question number 20. Which organization conducts a survey on employment and unemployment? The right option is D. The erstwhile Planning Commission, now known as Niti Aayog, conducts the survey on employment and unemployment. Question number 21. According to the data given of GDP, which was the most productive sector in 2013 and 14? The right option is B. Tertiary sector was the most productive sector in 2013 and 14. Question number 22. The tertiary sector is becoming important in India. Choose the wrong statement which do not justify this statement. The wrong statement is option C. Greater the development of the primary and secondary sectors, less would be the demand for such services. Question number 23. Over the past decade or so, certain new services have become important and essential. Choose which are these. The right option is C. The services like information and communication technology become important and essential. Question number 24. Which sector continues to be the largest employer even now? The right option is A. Primary sector continues to be the largest employer even now. Question number 25. Why agriculture plays a significant role in the Indian economy? Give reason. The right option is B. Agriculture plays a significant role in the Indian economy because it provides employment to more than half of the population. Question number 26. Which of the following is true with regards to the role of different sectors in the GDP of the country? The right option is D. service sector contributed maximum to the GDP of the country. Question number 27. Why are only final goods and services counted and not the intermediate goods? The right option is C. It is so because the value of final goods already included the value of intermediate goods that are used in making of the final goods. Question number 28. Identify the sector from its features. The right option is C. These are the features of primary sector. Question number 29. When does underemployment occurs? The right option is C. Underemployment occurs when each one is doing work but no one is fully employed. Question number 30. A situation in which more persons are employed on a job than required is termed as. The right option is B. Disguised unemployment or underemployment. Question number 31. Where we will find the disguised unemployment the most? The right option is A. We can find the disguised unemployment among agriculture workers working on small farmlands. Question number 32. Identify the sector from its features. The right option is A. These are the features of tertiary sector. Question number 33. The economy is classified into public and private sectors on the basis of. The right option is D. The economy is classified into public and private sectors on the basis of ownership of enterprises. Question number 34. Which of the following is not a feature of the organized sector? The right option is B. Worker is not paid for leave is not a feature of the organized sector. Question number 35. Which among the following is not a characteristic of an unorganized sector? The right option is C. Jobs here are high paid and often regular is not a characteristic of an unorganized sector.